Hello everyone. Today, we will draw a seal. Grab a pencil or marker and follow along. Draw a circle for the eye. Draw one tail flipper pointing up and the other one pointing towards 8 o'clock. Draw one smooth line from the tail around the head and back to the tail. Draw the two front flippers. Draw the snout. Add 2 lines in each flipper. Draw the nose, a smiley mouth, and the pupil. Now we can color the seal using light and dark gray and add some spots. And voila! Our drawing is finished. What can you imagine with your seal? Is he relaxing on an ice sheet? Or working in the circus? Or surfing on a big wave? Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.